Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall applications in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So uninstalling any application in Windows 11 is actually very easy. There are a number of methods to do this, and basically in this video, I'm going to cover the three methods. So let us move. So the first method is using the settings. So let me show you how you can do this. To perform this operation, the first thing you need to do is in your taskbar you need to right click onto this Windows icon. So make sure that you right click and not left click, and then from here simply choose settings. Then once you are inside the settings, you need to click onto this apps tab at the left. Once you will click here, you can see this option of installed apps. So simply click onto this installed apps option, and it will show you the list of all the applications that are installed into your computer. So now the next thing we need to do is simply find that particular application that you want to delete. So for example, let's say I want to delete the LinkedIn application from my computer. So what I'm going to do is simply click onto these three horizontal dots present besides its name, and then once I click here, I have this option of uninstall. So simply click onto this uninstall button, and it will give you a warning that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So in order to proceed, simply click onto the uninstall button, and here you can see that this application has been successfully uninstalled and removed from the list. Now let us move on to the another option or the another method to do the same. The other method is that you simply go towards this search bar on the taskbar, and then from here you can simply type the name of the application that you want to delete. So for example, let's say I have this application called news in my computer, and here you can see that this that under the best matches I can see this news application right here, and on the right hand side I have a number of options, and one such option is uninstall. So simply click onto this uninstall button, and it will give you a warning that the app and its related info will be removed. So in order to proceed, click onto this uninstall button, and here you can see that the news application is being uninstalled, and once that will be done, this application will be removed from our device. And once the process will be complete, we can search for the application name again, and here you can see that this time no application with the name is appearing. That means that the application has been successfully deleted. Then the third method is to use the control panel. So first access the control panel of your Windows computer, and once you are inside the control panel, you will see this screen. Then in this interface, under the programs, you can see this option of uninstall a program. So simply click onto the uninstall a program button, and from here you will get a list of all the applications that you can uninstall. So for example, let me uninstall the Python 3.12.9 application from my computer. So what I can do is simply click onto this application, and then once I have chosen this and this blue line appears on this, I can click onto this uninstall button. And once I will do this, it might give you a warning and you need to click onto the yes option. And here you can see that the uninstall is being processed, and once that will be done, Python 3.12.9 application will be removed from my computer. So let us wait for it to uninstall this application. And here you can see once the process has been completed, I can see this message that the uninstall was successful. So these are the three most easiest methods to uninstall any application in your Windows 11 computer. So if this video was any helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.